Well, hello there again. I've been doing a bit more testing with these, with the accessories for the phone and the GoPro here. And what I did yesterday, I had got one of those cheap ring lights to kind of help because the videos look so poor in the low light here in the room. So I tried that ring light. Oh my God, that thing, it was wibbly wobbly. It piece of plastic crap once again, and which I'm sending it back today along with that GoPro official tripod, mini tripod. Well, anyway, the cheap stuff that they make nowadays just burns me up. But anyway, I tried the ring light, and the glare that it produced in these magnifying glasses I have was just outrageous. So then I thought, well, I have this LED strip light here, which I keep on where you guys are sitting. And it's a tray where I have my 43-inch monitor. And I keep that so I can see the bottom tray. And so I thought, well, let me turn it from facing down below to facing this away. But then I just did another test, and you can see the strip in the glasses here. It sucks when you have such bad eyesight and cataracts and needing surgery and all that crap. But anyway, so, okay, it's facing me at the moment. And I don't know, the lighting may be better, but I'm moving it back down because to at least get rid of that lighting strip in the glasses. But yeah, I can show you the ring light, which I'm sending back. The wibbly wobbly thing. No good, in my opinion. I do love these. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 of these LED strip lights. They're USB, and I have them everywhere so I can see it. It can automatically sense you when you get within so many feet of it. I don't know, 10 feet or so. I'd have to double check that, but maybe 3 feet. I don't know. But I just love it, so I don't have to turn the light on all the time. Save a little bit of money, electricity. But they are USB powered. The one I have here, I just keep plugged into my Blue Eddy solar generator here, and so I can keep it on all the time. Those ones I have just on automatic, so when you go into the room, it'll light up, or get close to it, it'll light up. But anyway, as I go off on a tangent there, like I said, I'll show you the ring light, which is a no-go. You already know about the GoPro mini tripod, which is cheap. Save yourself some money, is what I would say. GoPro does make some good stuff, which I've shown. Number one was this great extension pole, and the GoPro itself. They make that magnetic mount, but that's too expensive, so it's better to get that HSC one. And I guess that's where I'll probably leave it. I might show a few clips from the from the ring light that I did yesterday before packing that thing up and shipping it back out. But oh, and in case I forgot to mention, I might have mentioned it in yesterday's video, which I haven't put together or anything. I don't know if I will, but I did reapply for monetization on YouTube, and I got approved, so I can be monetized now. I also set up for if you want to become a member of my channel, and there's a monthly package you could pay if you want to. I'm not going to get anyone, not that I'm not doing Astro and doing regular videos, but I set it up so if you want to become a member, you can. There's different tiers. And the perks you can get are like special emojis, special mentions, I think the community tab. I'm not sure if there's, I'm not sure how I have it set up. It was just a whirlwind thing. So, it might be early releases of videos, ad-free and all that good stuff. I don't know. I'd have to double check. But there are different tiers if you want to become a member on my channel. And I did set it up so you can do super thanks. But I'm not sure if that's super thanks is only for live videos. I'm not sure. I haven't looked into a lot of this stuff, but hey, if it'd help out, and if somebody wants to help, that's great. If not, that's great too. But anyway, so I'll wrap this up now and maybe insert some of that other stuff from that ring light, and I'm gonna wish you all a wonderful day. Y'all take care. Bye now. Well, hello there. What I'm doing right now is I'm testing out this ring light, which is right there, to see if I get better video indoors with these two cameras, the iPhone 16 Pro and the GoPro 13. And this ring light has 92,702 people, 4.5 stars over on Amazon. So I thought, okay, that's damn good, and let me pick it up. It is so wibbly wobbly. Ay, ay, ay. I don't know. But I want to see if the light has helped it at all, because the video in low light with these two cameras was so poor yesterday. But we'll give it a go. I mean, that thing is so wobbly. My goodness. Anyway, all right. Now it's right here in front of me. And I don't know. We'll see. Will the video come out better or not? Hope so. I was taking a nap when this arrived, but anyway, oh, let me show you. So that's how high up I have it now. I had it way up here, but okay. So we shall see. And right now, again, we're just on the iPhone, just quicker. And anyway, so that's it. And we'll check out the footage and see if the videos come out better. All right, bye now.